Hey Sarah, thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. I'll give you. This is just my experience and the best that I can do. But I would say go in today to the main store, buy something small, anything. Have a purchase history if you don't have one already, but have a recent purchase history. Go to the leather desk. If you can go in around 11:30 or 3, if you can go twice. If not, go at least once. Ask for any cancellations. Get the name of the person that you talk to, be a little friendly to them. Super sweet, super nice, direct. Don't push it if they say no. Just say thank you, okay, and they'll tell you to do the lottery thing, and do that every single day up until Thursday. Meanwhile, just try to go in every day you can and just show your face to those leather desk people today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and then of course Thursday. And you can say Thursday's your last day today if Thursday is your last day. So you're only here until Thursday. You really would like to get something. If you have some sort of event or some sort of big milestone or something, you can say it's for that. Birthday, anniversary, wedding, first time to Paris trip, whatever you want to say, that can help. If you're with someone, especially like if you're with a partner, that always helps. What else? One sec, hold on. I know it's silly, but dress nicely. Wear any Hermes that you have, if you have any bracelets or shoes or clothes. Carry a nice bag, an Hermes bag if you have, or they do like when you carry other bags, Chanel and Guerre, I would say. What else? Sevres and George Think might be easier for a walk-in, but FSH will have the most inventory, so that your best chance of getting the bag that you want. But you can try all three if you can pop around the same day. And also make sure you, what's the word? Hold on. Forgot my thought there, but also if you're staying, depending on where you're staying and what hotel you're staying at, you can ask your hotel concierge if they have any connects. If you have the time and the money to pre-spend a little bit in other categories, I would do that. Buy the one thing one day, and then the day you really want to get the appointment, start buying other things in other places and see if you can broker that into a walk-in appointment too, which usually can show any kind of brand loyalty. I said in the other video, if you get something initialed or monogrammed, that's always good. Buy obscure things. Doesn't have to be expensive, but just something from a category that people wouldn't. Also try starting out in SLGs, because those leather people sometimes do work leather appointments as well. So if you buy something small from them or build a relationship there and then just kind of tell them you want a bag, then they might be like, come back, I'm working tomorrow, come back this. You want to get somebody to say basically come back later, or how long are you in Paris, and then say how long you are and you really want to get it before then and see if they can do it. I hope that helps. Okay, bye. Let me know how it goes.